You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bug.
Good day, y'all. Finally, got some juice. I can record. Today's video, I am replacing the gaskets on the intake manifold and on the valve covers, simply because I have to replace the O2 sensors that's like 6 inches below. So that's the real reason why all this is getting done. But let's get out here, get you guys set up. I already take the intake manifold off, and this covered some oil inside. So don't know what the problem's gonna be, but this is where I'm at so far. Alright, so having a little trouble getting the sensor out. Seeing now that it's better to go from beneath the car. But the plug you couldn't get to, so I still had to take most of that stuff out. Anyway, I don't have small hands. Alright, but hey, a lower car, you gotta get it on 2x6 or 2x4. Then use a little side jack from the side to jack it up. Then get a big jack. Go from the sway bar in the front. I'm gonna go get some jack stands, do this thing safely, get onto there, and while I'm on there, I'm gonna catch both sides, loosen up, and put in a new one. So when I get to the other side, it's just a matter of valve cover off, new gasket on, just plug in the sensor because it's already done from below, and get it done. Hope you guys are learning something. Mistakes I made. There's other videos out there, guys done it faster. Like one guy, he said he had skinny hands, so he just went from the back. Didn't take manifold, didn't take anything off. But I had new gaskets anyway, so that was my plan for today. Alright, I hope you guys can hear me because it's so windy out here. But screw the driver's side all the way in. Just gotta plug it up. Passenger side is loose, so I'm gonna take the valve cover off on this side. It's easy to get to. Unplug it. I'll get back onto the car, tighten it down, and we can button this up. So I hope you guys are learning something. Number one, don't have a lower car. It's a lot of work. Number two, if you're doing multiple sensors up top, and I'm realizing it's kind of easy for the bottom, but the plugs are still up onto the valve covers. So either which way it goes, you still gotta get it in, unplug stuff. It's about a 3-hour job, but I'm almost done. Hardest part is done. Just gotta replace the valve cover gaskets, then put the intake manifold back on and start up, see where we're at. Alright, so valve covers off. I just need to fish the plug for the O2 sensor up here. Unplug the old one, plug the new one in, and pretty much it. Oh, I gotta go into the car. Back up. Plug this one first, so I can spin it all the way. Drop this one down. Put the other one together, and run the other one back up. Damn, Infinity. Shit. Drop. Oh, all right. The strap's getting in the way, but I had to use it to hold the hood in place because I have the struts on there. Even with their actual bar, it's still bouncing in the wind. I don't want it to flip back. Let me get back onto the car. So, gotta get back onto here. Completely forgot about the reverse switch. And if you're gonna replace that, it's a 21mm socket. You unplug it, socket goes over it. Take it out, put a new one in. So, quick in and out. Knock this out real quick. I got the old one out, and I don't know how to tell if it's bad or not, but it's kind of stiff. The other one, the new one, was easy, so got it in there. Finally, I'm dirty as shit. Let me clean up these valve covers, put the new gaskets on, snap the shit back together, and Alright, first valve cover is in place. Go ahead and tighten it down, plug everything else back up on this side, jump over there, do the same thing, plug everything else back up, everything else back up, put the intake manifold on. So, basic rundown, it's a bunch of 10mm bolts, and for the clamps, flat tip screwdriver, Phillips, whatever you have. Anything else? I've used the 10mm basically the whole time, except when I was taking the O2 sensors out. And for that plug for the camshaft sensor, you gotta pull. I'll zoom you guys in. So y'all can get a good look. This right here, that green tab, see right here, you gotta pull it down. It's awkward to get to. It comes down, then push it back up. And that's what pushes the plug out. It's awkward to get to because it sits like this. behind the valve cover. So you pretty much gotta take the sensor out if you don't have the right tool to depress and push this down and then pop it back up. Other than that, easy. Took out the brakes, so it's taking me for a long time, but almost done. So start it up here in a minute. We'll see what we got. Okay, so I didn't take the bottom gasket off, so it's pretty much all I need. You guys are truly watching this video and paying attention, you will see the big mess about this. Now I gotta go backwards. We all do it. Leave a comment. Let me know if you saw the mistake I made. Drop a comment. Everything's buttoned up, plugged up, tightened down. Connect the battery. See that light goes away. Start it, let it run. y'all watching as always. Please get some merch so we can keep doing stuff like this. G35, get it going and better. One day you guys get to see it on the track. Alright, but hey, thank you for watching. 3 weeks in the making, finally did it today. Tomorrow, on to something else. Keep bringing you guys great content. Thank you as always, and y'all stay blessed.